Joseph Kursky is the kind of person who can turn a roadside stop, a satellite image, or a weathered map into a teachable moment. He carries himself like a lifelong geographer, curious first, analytical second, and always scanning the landscape for patterns others miss. By profession, he is a geographer, GIS professional, and spatial educator, deeply rooted in the belief that place matters. Maps are not just tools to him. They are stories about people, environments, change, and decision-making. He is most at home explaining how technology intersects with real-world geography. Cities growing, rivers shifting, hazards unfolding, and societies responding. He has the demeanor of a field-based academic, practical, approachable, and grounded. You could imagine him standing on the shoulder of a highway, a rural dirt road, or the edge of a city park, using the location itself as the lesson. He values first-hand observation as much as digital analysis, and often bridges the GIS and satellite imagery with what is actually happening on the ground. As a communicator, Joseph is patient and enthusiastic, especially when teaching. He has a talent for translating complex spatial concepts into accessible ideas for students, educators, and professionals alike. He believes strongly in education, especially empowering others to use GIS not just correctly, but thoughtfully and ethically. Personality-wise, he comes across as curious and observant, always asking why here and what changed. Calm and steady, more guide than showman. Mission-driven, motivated by learning, teaching, and improving geographic literacy. Optimistic about technology, but realistic about its limits. If this were a novel or film, Joseph Kursky wouldn't be the dramatic hero charging into danger. He'd be the steady narrator, the expert who helps others see the world more clearly, revealing that every location, no matter how ordinary, has meaning when you know how to read it. Joseph creates a monthly podcast called Thinking Spatially. Joseph writes about GIS, data, ethics, and society on spatial reserves, spatialreserves.wordpress.com. Joseph has created over 8,000 videos about space, place, education, GIS, and geo-geekiness on our Earth. Thanks for watching, and keep on thinking spatially.